If you're wanting to see step by step how I made this, keep watching. Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back for another video. Today we will be making a delicious seafoodless boil. So if you're wanting to see how I did it, keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put some water in my pot, and then I'm going to sprinkle in some salt to give that water some flavor, some taste. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is add in my corn. It's some mini corn on the cob, sweet corn. And then I have some potatoes, some baby reds. So I'm going to add those in. I don't know why, but during this whole video, I call these sausages, they are hot links, Earl Campbell's. Guys, my son is so loud. He's so country, but I love it. So if you can't hear me, I apologize. Alrighty, so it's been maybe about 10 minutes or so. We got the corn and the potatoes. They're in here boiling, doing their thing. So now we're going to go ahead and add the sausages and eggs. I wanted to add the eggs in last just so that I can add them last, because that's what I wanted to do. Okay. So I'm going to set that to the side. I have my eggs here. I'm just going to do 8. So I have 8 eggs. And then I have a whole bowl full of sausages that I cut up. So I'm going to add those in. I don't want it to splatter everywhere. As I always say, use your hands. As long as they're clean, you can use them. And then, really do. And then I'm going to add in my eggs. Just like that. Okay, thank you. Oh my goodness, my little helper. Y'all love my baby so much. And I'm gonna look. Y'all just hear him say what happened to his gecko? It do its thing. You know where gecko is. He about to get boiled. Okay, so it's been another 5-6 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding a few seasonings just to give that water some flavor. So I'm gonna add some Tony's Creole in there. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add some onion powder. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And some lemon pepper. Like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give this a mix. And we're gonna keep an eye out on those potatoes because they are small. So I know they're not gonna take that long to cook. Everything's looking good, smelling good. And then we're gonna take the lid, put that on top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean my chicken. Alright, so I went ahead and cut up my chicken. It's all nice and clean. I just cut them up into pieces that's about this size. I do not like my chicken boiled, so I am going to saute it on the skillet. So I'm just going to add a few of my favorite seasonings. I have my Tony's. Y'all know I love my Tony's. Got my Tony's. I got my seasoned salt. Bruh. Garlic powder. I have some garlic pepper. I don't want it to be over seasoned. I'm not going to season the back. I'm just going to kind of rub that in and then get my skillet hot with some butter, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, as my butter is starting to melt and melting, I'm going to go ahead and start laying in my chicken. Alright, so the last few things that I'm going to add to this boil before taking some of the items out. It's probably been about 20 minutes. Potatoes are still needing a little more time to cook. Eggs and sausages are doing good. I'll be taking those out in a few. But I'm going to add onions. I cut up some onions. And then also I sliced some lemon. So I'll add those into here. Okay, so I cut up about 3 lemons and put inside of the bowl, but at this time I'm going to go ahead and get my butter melted. It's unsalted butter. You can use whatever you want. I just use the Land Lakes brand. I'm going to be melting 3 sticks of butter. You can use your hands. It's your food. This right here is what my boil is looking like. Those sausages are done. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out as well as the potatoes. Our chicken is done, and this is what it is looking like. Alrighty, so our butter is all melted, and I have it on a low, medium heat. You gotta make sure that you continue to stir that butter because it will burn. I'm gonna add in minced garlic, a generous amount, a nice generous amount of minced garlic. Gonna stir that in. And then I also have some ginger. It's a paste. I'm gonna maybe add about that much of ginger. I'm gonna stir that in there. Just like that. I'm also gonna add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
About that much. I'm just gonna continue to stir. And then I'm also gonna add in all of my dry seasonings. So in here I have lemon pepper, chili powder, oregano, cumin, red crushed peppers, paprika, black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and then some Cajun seasoning. So I'm gonna just stir all of that. A nice saucy consistency. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Alrighty, so this is what the sauce is looking like. It is all done. I'm just gonna add in one last little ingredient, and it is gonna be some brown sugar. So I'm just gonna get about a spoon and a third full or whatnot. And I'm just gonna mix that in. You want to taste as you go with your sauce. And then I did turn this out off. So I'm going to let that sit for about a minute or so. And then I'm going to pour that into a bowl. And it's all done. Alrighty, so here is the finished product. We have our eggs, we have our chicken, potatoes, and corn with sausages. Also have our sauce on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. You guys must try this. Oh my goodness, it was so freaking good. My stomach hurt trying to eat it all.